Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. So what is going on, boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I haven't been on here for a little minute, but it's been a crazy 3 weeks, and I cannot wait to catch it up with you guys and let you know what's been going on. Also, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, because for some reason I don't do this, but I'm going to do it today, okay? Make sure you do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell button, join the family. My boos, we already know we in here like swimwear, you dig? So make sure you subscribe. It's like, no, I play too much, but what is going on, boo? I want to do a really cute look giving very spring. You dig what I'm saying? Springtime is here. So we are going to be jumping right into it. What's been going on? I haven't been on here. Oh my God, I miss you guys so much. It's been really, really hard to be consistent with doing my videos and working. It's really hard to come on here and be grieving and be working and be being a mom. It was hard, baby. You dig me? We're gonna do the Hello Hydration for our moisturizer. My boos, we is still doing the same kind of little routine because I haven't been able to purchase anything, but it is some new things that I definitely want to get, okay? Like the new Danessa Myrick stuff. Also the one size blush kit that I'm dying to try. Like if you also have any new things that you want me to put on the channel, let me know, because I definitely will be going shopping this week, okay? We're going to be jumping into primer and also under eye cream. Let me tell you about this Universal C eye protector. Child, this vitamin C eye protector is so good. First of all, let me say something real quick, okay? This thing, it hydrates, it firms, brightens, reduces puffiness, dark circle lines, and wrinkles. Child, this has actually been working, because I don't know about you, but I definitely do have lines. So I just take like a pea size and put it on my hand and I rub it under my eyes, but it actually does brighten your eyes. I have dark circles because I pick in my eye. I'm a little extra. I'm not even gonna tell y'all how I pick in my eye. That's none of your business. And it also helps my lines because I have creasing all under my eye, and I am a girl that will crease regardless. So moving right along, we are going to be jumping into primer, and for primer we're going to be jumping into the poreless putty primer and also the matte putty primer by e.l.f. I've been using these two and I actually been mixing them. Yeah, I definitely do mix them, and I put a lot like right here on the side because I got those lines. Child, I'm be that old lady with that big crease in the dent on something. Hey baby, come get grandma kiss. I'm gonna be that lady. I'm gonna be that lady with them deep lines, and I don't even care. When I tell you, it's just been so crazy, okay? I just put out a new spring collection, me and my husband. If you don't know and you're just new to my channel, I am a fashion designer as well, called munjinwong.com. I'm gonna put it down below if you guys want to check that out too. Oh, that was too much, but I'm using the Morphe for foundation and also the LYS, and this is in the DPG1, and the Morphe is in the Rich 30. It's just been a lot of content. That's what I'm actually about to do now, is more content for that. That's why I said let me jump on here while I have time. Yeah, so make sure you guys check that out. And I love the fact that I'm able to do, you know, basically what I love to do. It's actually been helping me a lot with my grieving. And y'all see my little bump right here. I'm gonna have to really cover it. My husband seen this little bump on my forehead, and he is a picker. I let him pick my bump. I shouldn't have did that. He probably put a mark on my forehead. Ugh. But other than that, things has been doing good. The collection has been getting a great response. Right now, I'm just really excited to see what God has in store for me, because this year, and maybe it's because like I'm like going through so much that I just feel like anything that's going on right now is His will, even though it's always been His will. And even though I'm a little stubborn, I do listen to Him. So I do listen to you sometimes, Lord. I do. Cause you know that I don't want to listen to Him. So I want to do me sometimes. If you really let God handle whatever you want Him to handle, He will handle it for you. You ain't got to do nothing. You ain't got to say nothing. You ain't got to do nothing. Just let God be your guide. It's easy said than done with life. You know, life is crazy. Life is hurtful. Life is a lot. Even with all of that, I feel like he still keeps you in all of that, you know? So I'm just grateful, you know? And I'm being patient, and however he has it go, it's gonna go. Come on and give it to me. Just come on and give it to me. It's like, no, let me chill. But you know what I'm saying? Like, listen, I'ma just let him do it because I ain't got time. I miss my mom, but I gotta keep moving because this is what she would want me to do. She would want me to keep moving, and this is for you, Mom. This is for you. What I have been doing though, I have been, you know, dealing with it as loving me more, doing guided meditations. Right now, I just want to be to myself. I feel like I need to start getting to know me more. I have things that I need to do in my life because I do want to heal from losing my mom. I don't think I would never heal. It will never be a healing, but I do want to get at a place it's not affecting me physically and mentally. That's what I'm saying. Until then, we enjoy the ride. We enjoy the ride. You enjoy the ride, I enjoy the ride. We all enjoy the motherfucking ride. You dig me? Hey, hey. Don't play me no mind, y'all. I'm a little, listen, I'm me. How about that? Fuck you talking about. I'm gonna fuck me. Okay. Next for the contour though, we're going to be jumping into Elf. And this is in the color Rich Ebony because this dries really, really fast. And then I just tap it. You see what I'm saying? But yes, other than that, peace of mind is always the bag. Because it's really, really easy to get angry and to get mad. It's very easy to just have a negative mind. At the end of the day, man's gonna fail you every goddamn time. You dig me? Like, man gonna fail you. I'm gonna fail you. You gonna fail you sometimes. You dig me? So just keep enjoying the ride. You dig me? Don't pay me no mind, y'all. I'm crazy. But yes, I have been listening to Coi Leray's album. Her album is sick. When you can play something straight through, like I could play you straight through. Stop playing with me, Coi. Stop fucking playing with me, bitch. You should not be that thorough. She should not be that thorough. I'm just saying. I mean, real recognize real at the end of the day. And she younger than me. This is my little sister. She my little sister. That's my little sister. She is definitely that girl. We are taking some baking powder real quick because I'm just talking to y'all and just busting it up. So I mix my Laura Mercier, I mix my Beauty Bakery, and that being the color Honey. My Laura Mercier being in the color Honey as well. And then I take my one size in the translucent and I mix that in, and it like lays it down like evenly. I do not do any hard baking. I usually like to set mine all the way in. But y'all, I really miss coming on here. Like, I don't know, but for some reason I feel so much better. I really love the support. I really like the DMs when y'all say, girl, where you at? Be like, oh, you be looking at my videos. Oh, let me freak on your butt. It's like, no, I'm playing. I'm not playing. I love freaking girls' butts. And I am a girl that when I go out, all right, so let me jump real quick before I start busting it up again. I'm gonna go into the Coco Naughty Fenty Beauty. Y'all already know, my baby mom. I really, really love going in the club, and I really like dancing with my girlfriends. Like, I think that's a good night for me. I think when I was a kid though, in them dollar parties, yeah, I did used to be grown in them dollar parties. But as I got older, I just did not want to be like dancing like that on no guy. Like, that's just be my vibe, you know? We don't discriminate here. We dance with everybody, but I just say I don't want no guy dancing on me and he like me. I don't like you. And now since I'm married, it's like, hell no. Okay, I don't want nobody but my man. I'ma speed this part up. I'ma speed up my eyebrows, and then we gonna jump right into eyes, okay? Real quick, I like to do eyebrows with you guys, mostly in all my videos too, because I know with some girls out here that still be struggling. I know that vibe is like, man, if I could just get my eyebrows, like, I'm good. I've been there, so that's why I try to definitely like show you guys. Alright, so real quick, so for the eyes, we're going to be jumping into the Stacey Marie Carnival Tati Palette. First color that we're going to be jumping into will be the Blackberry. And we're just going to take Blackberry and we're going to stamp Blackberry just like this. Why did I just stamp into black? Oh well, it's cool. I'm going to stamp it on this one too. Sometimes mistakes happens for a reason, baby, and you just got to glide and let it glide. And as you can see, I'm just keeping this right here in my outer V. We're going to be jumping into Tati. Purple was my mother's favorite color. That's what's making me want to use purple. But yeah, I want to do like a really pretty like lilac look. Bring that purple in. I like my eyeshadows looking very pigmented. I don't like that like non-pigment kind of like look. That's not my thing. I like it soft, but I like it hard at the same time. Ooh, I like it soft, but I like it hard. Pause. Next, we're going to be taking the Mima Mitchell palette, and we're going to be jumping right into Lucid. And I'm just going to take Lucid and just pat that all over my lid. I want something nice and soft. And I also wanted to give you, boo, like a really easy look. Even though I'm about to do a wing, but it's still an easy look. You know what I'm saying? So next, just like I said, I'm about to do a wing. And we're going to be jumping into the Mima Mitchell P. Louise. This is in the color Ecstasy. So next, I'm gonna just take this and tap this right over top. Tapping this right over because I don't want this to be blue. I actually want this to be purple. Now, since we have that down looking all good, we're going to be jumping into Starlight. Put this right here. Let's jump into contouring his nose. I'm going to take the Big Ego by Tarte, and I'm going to stamp these lashes on, and then I'm going to get dressed real quick, and then we're going to come and do the rest of the face, okay? Alright, my boo, so I'm back. So we're going to be jumping into lashes. So I'm just taking a little bit of this and putting it on my lash line. And then I'm going to let that dry. And then we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Foundation Powder. And this is in the color 440. So I just want to take this and just, you know, clean it up. But yeah, let me put my lashes on. I've been lately liking to put on like half lashes or whatever. So next we're going to be jumping into highlight, and for highlight, boo, we're going to be jumping into the Hot Girl Sunset, my girl Meg. You can clearly see why this is my fave. We don't really have to do a lot because I have a bang on, but as you can see, you see what I'm saying? Like, ooh, baby. And shout out to my boo Meg. I love her. I actually dressed her before, and I just want her to know that we are praying for you, girl, and the Lord got you, you know, with everything that's been going on. I don't want to speak about it, but I just want to say that the Lord got you, period. Okay? We here at the Munjin Wong team loves you. I'm going to take this Trendsetter Morphe. This is like my fave brown. And I'm just going to keep it very simple and take the Tiana Tella Good Morning. This is like one of my favorite pinks. This is like her matte collab that she had did. I really love this. Like, so let me just get this one more spray. And this is the final look, my boo. I'm really loving this look. I'm really loving the way this look came out, giving lilac. I hope you guys felt the vibe in this video. You guys, I miss you guys so much. Don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, baby. Make sure you subscribe to me. You know what I'm saying? Hit the notification bell button too, boo. But I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.